Did you know that Harrods will pay you up to $20,000 a month? And the best part is, it doesn't cost any money to set up. I'm going to show you what to do. Let's go. First, go to harrods.com, scroll all the way down, and then you want to click on here, become an affiliate. Next, click join here, and then just follow the steps required for you to be an affiliate with Harrods. Harrods is going to pay you to share their content on social media. Next, find something that you like and you want to promote. So once you find something that you like, let's go over to Pinterest, click create pin, add an image, add some text about the product, and then right here, you need to add the affiliate link that you got from the page. That is very important. You need to put that inside right here. And you can do that over and over. And if someone clicks on your link and purchases the product, then you will get that commission. And this is called affiliate marketing. This is what I do and so many other people do to make money online. If this is something that you're interested to learn more about, you can click on my profile and you can get the training, the proper training from a 7-figure affiliate that will show you step by step exactly what you need to do to be able to make money online yourself. Until then, follow for more and all the best.